let's go ahead and create a new app inside Xamarin Studio. Hit New Solution, App, Single View App, and let's call this Collection View App. Hit Next. I'm going to turn off Insights because I found sometimes this actually slows down Xamarin, and I'm going to leave Git on so I can share this code with you later on. Hit Create and we should get a blank app loaded. Now the first thing we have to do is create some data that we're going to display inside of our grid. We're going to do that inside of our view controller. So underneath class, let's create a class level list of strings, and let's call this collection items, and then go ahead and resolve the list issue. Then inside of the constructor view controller, let's initialize the collection items is equal to a new list of strings, so it's ready to go. Now I'm going to make a list of alphabet strings, I think. So let's have var alphabet equal to a new string, and this will be an array, so we need the square brackets. And let's have A, B, C. You can see where I'm going with this, can't you? E. So we have 5 letters in our mini alphabet. Now I'm going to create a random number generator that pulls out a random letter and puts it into our collection items. So let's have var random is equal to a new random. Then we're going to run a little for loop that allows us to populate our collection items with about 100 items. So let's have for var I equals 0 until I is less than 100, and I++, add 1 to I each time we go round. Right, let's have collection items dot add. We're going to add a new letter from our alphabet into here. So first, let's select our alphabet, and then which letter do we want? Well, we have to open our square brackets and put our index in, and we're going to get our index from that random number generator. So random dot next, and we'll give it a minimum of 0 and a max of 4. So if it gets a 0, it'll give us an A. If it gets 4, it'll give us E, and everything in between. Close off our brackets, square bracket and bracket. And we have created our data that we're going to pop into our collection view. Of course, your data might be vastly different, and no doubt it will be. You'd never really do this with random data. This is just to get us up and running really quickly.